So here's the problem. Temperature gauge doesn't work. I'll show you what was the problem. It doesn't move. Two sensors. One here and the other one is there. Right there. Now I'm gonna test them to prove that this one is broken. This one is new from Volvo, original. This one is old one. So you have to put the multimeter on ohms. Now it's working. It's attached, but doesn't show nothing. The temperature is 90.6 degrees. Okay, so this is the original one. New one. Look, it shows something. So it's moving. On 90.6 degrees, it should say 847, 850, something like that. So this one is working, this one is not working. If we heat up this thing, the figures gonna change. I'm gonna show you how they change. This lighter, yeah, it's going down, so it's working. This is how you test the temperature sensors. So you have to put the new one down there and you're ready.